Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable quiet mode in Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is updated. Then you simply need to do is to go back and open Instagram application. So once you are on Instagram application, click on profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to do is to click on notifications. And once you are here you can see quiet mode. Click here and you can on that from here as well. You can select the start time and end time, and in that time you are unable to receive the notifications. So here you can see that in quiet mode. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.